Hey guys, I'm Ads, and I'm going to be doing a bit of a review on this XP Pen Artist 15.6 Pro drawing tablet. I'm going to be doing a drawing demonstration and sort of just get a feel of what it's like, how it feels to actually draw on it. It's a lot bigger than the tablet I use right now, so I'm actually really excited to see how it feels to draw on this beast. Let's go!
Alright, let's open this thing up. Man, that excitement of opening up like a new toy or a new tablet like this is always so good. So I like how it's packaged, really nice and neat. Everything fits snug. And here's the actual tablet. Now I won't get into the main details just yet, I'll get into that later on. But just having picked it up for the first time here, I noticed it's very lightweight, lighter than I thought it'd be. And next up we have the portable stand, which is really sturdy. And I noticed that there wasn't much movement when I would be drawing actually, so that was really impressive. It does only work on one angle though, so that's something to keep in mind. Some people might need more. And here we have the adapters. You don't actually need to for most laptops or PCs because all the USB cables should be enough. But here are some options just in case you do need it and need to use the extension cord. And here we have the pen case. Really cool, really nice design. Easily portable. You can easily just put that in your bag somewhere and it'll keep it safe. Really like this actually. So the pen actually comes with 8 replacement nibs that you'll see in a bit here, right there. Really good. I feel like they'll last a long time. Just using it, I feel like the nibs are already pretty good, pretty well sturdy and they're strong. On the other side here is where the actual pen is, and that cap is actually a pen holder as well. Pretty handy, pretty handy. And now the pen, oh, I love the pen. It actually fits in your hand really nicely. It's not too heavy, not too light. It doesn't have an eraser on the other end like some other tablet pens have, but this actually one of the buttons up in the front actually you can toggle between, yeah, that one. You can toggle between brush and eraser. Really cool. Yeah, big fan of the pen actually. And here is just a little package with some extra stuff. There's a cleaning cloth there, just to wipe the screen. Pretty handy. We've got a glove to use if you like to have a bit more easier glide across the screen, and a little quick guide. And we also have all the cables you're going to need to hook it up to your PC or laptop. And here I've already got the setup. Everything was pretty plugged in. It's really easy to do. You just follow the instructions. And so here's the tablet. It's a really nice size screen. This is 15.6 inches diagonally, and it's about 11 millimeters in thickness, and really nice. It feels very lightweight but sturdy at the same time, and it fits on that portable stand really well. However, the portable stand does only have one level, as in one angle, sorry. So that might affect some people, but personally for me, it's at the right angle. Now the scroller wheel on this beauty is such a game changer because then you can just scroll in and out, zoom in and out, sorry, really easily. And you have all these express hotkeys there that you can customize to do whatever you'd prefer it to do. I've changed it just a little bit so that so it fits my workflow a lot easier. Now that top button there can be used to open up the settings for the tablet here. So this is the pen pressure sensitivity. You can change that up. And now let's test it out. Let's do some lines. Let's draw some lines, sorry. What I noticed is it actually glides really well on the screen. And there's not much lag at all, if any actually. So that's pretty cool because on my current tablet, which is a Surface Pro 4, there definitely is a noticeable lag with almost every stroke I do. I've sort of gotten used to it, but it's nice to work on this and not experience any lag really, so that was a big plus for me. I do notice that initially with the initial settings you have to press a little harder than expected to get a soft line, so it doesn't have as high sensitivity as I'm used to, but that's easily adjustable in the pen pressure settings, as you saw earlier. And yeah, after that it was pretty much fine. The screen actually has a really nice matte finish. It's really comfortable for the pen to glide across, and really nice for the hand to rest on as well. It doesn't feel sticky or anything. It's just nice and comfortable on there. On the screen is actually a replaceable anti-glare optical film, and it's scratch resistant, and it doesn't even affect the display. Like the colors all come through really nice and bright. So that's a plus. The pen feels very comfortable in my hand. Sometimes though, I do feel like I accidentally press the buttons that's on the pen because they're sort of in the way and I can't grip the pen without accidentally pressing them. So that was a bit tricky to get used to in the beginning, but after a while you just sort of learn to place your fingers in the right spot so that you don't actually end up pressing. The pen is also battery free, so you don't have to worry about charging it at all. And there are 8,192 levels for the pen pressure, and like I said earlier, that is you can adjust that to your liking. The pen also comes with a 60-degree tilt support. This is pretty cool because the Surface Pro that I use at the moment doesn't have any tilt support at all. So yeah, it's been a pretty great tablet. Experience drawing on this has been really fun. I just really like the size of it. I think it's a great size to work on. My hand just feels very comfortable resting on it. I don't feel like I am causing any smudges on the screen because of that really nice matte finish. And the pen, like I said earlier, just glides across it really well. The express keys, the 4 above the scroll wheel and 4 below, it's quite handy because some things that I just need, like moving the canvas around or the Alt button, it's really, really handy to have them right there and where my hand is already resting and right next to the scroll wheel as well. So that's been, I think, probably my favorite feature of the whole tablet. It's definitely what differentiates this to my current tablet that I use to draw on. So yeah, I really felt like that maybe streamlined my work process a lot more in some ways, especially with undo. I don't have to use Control Z. I can just have one button, one click, and it'll undo. So that's been, yeah, really, really good for my workflow.
Now you might be wondering how much this tablet actually costs. It goes for $599.99 AUD. Now this is its normal price, but XP Pen are offering you guys 25% off using this code here. And then it'll come down to $449.99. So it's about from $600 down to $450 Australian dollars. That's $150 off. That's a pretty big saving. This is a lot cheaper than other similar drawing tablets out there like Wacom. If you are on a bit of a budget, then this is probably going to be the more ideal option for you. This promo only goes from the 31st of December 2019 till the 15th of January 2020. So make sure you make use of it in between then. But if you are outside of Australia, check out their official site, xppen.com. And from there, you might be able to see some other offers that they have going on. I've put a link to the official XP Pen Amazon store in the description or in my bio. So if you want to check out the product, you can just go there. And if you head over to the store, don't forget to use the code because that's a pretty big saving that you're going to be getting. So enjoy. Hey guys, hope that review was useful for some people. If you're a beginner and you want to try a more affordable drawing tablet, this is probably an ideal place to start because it is affordable and it's actually very effective. It's probably better than a lot of the other cheaper options you have. Cheers guys, thanks for watching. Take care.